This is 80 tons placing machine to make the twist button downside parts over snapper button or other button. For example, the sewing button and some button downside parts. Look at this one. It's a twist downside button parts. Okay, and then let's see the working process. We put the stripper, for example, SS stripper over the blouse stripper over the eyelid stripper to be here. This size is about 65 cm. If your stripper is more big, then we can make it according to your requirement. And then stripper is go inside to be here. We will put the mold, the placing mold to be here. And you can see the screw which you can fix the mold. We also have the 25 tons for your choosing. So now let me take you to check the side position. So this is the side with the cover and inside a big view. And this is the back side. If you want to add the waist wire cutting machine, we also can add from here, okay? And then if you want to add the speeder controller, we also can add. Or if you want to add a counter to check how many pieces your worker made already, we also can add that parts to be here. So if you want to get more details about this machine, you're welcome to contact us. Thank you.